high lightning danger here, guys. So get out at your own risk.
Moving northeast at 15 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 2-inch hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. People and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding and trees. This severe thunderstorm will remain over main littoral areas of northeastern Graham and southeastern Norton counties. A tornado watch remains in effect until 2 a.m. Central Daylight Time for northwestern Kansas. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 10 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Kansas, Graham and Norton. The National Weather Service in Hastings has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Central Phillips County in north central Kansas until 10 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:34 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Phillipsburg, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Expected hazards include quarter-size hail. Severe weather has been confirmed by emergency management. Reported quarter-size hail 5 miles west-northwest of Phillipsburg at 9:33 p.m. Central Daylight Time. The following impacts are expected. Damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Phillipsburg, Agrok, Glade, and Speed. A tornado watch remains in effect until 2 a.m. Central Daylight Time for north central Kansas. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 10 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following county, Phillips, Kansas. The National Weather Service in Goodland has issued a flash flood warning for northern Graham County in northwestern Kansas, southern Norton County in northwestern Kansas, until 3:45 a.m. Central Daylight Time Friday at 9:39 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Doppler radar indicated a thunderstorm producing heavy rain across the warned area. Up to 2 inches of rain have already fallen. Flash flooding is expected to begin shortly. Some locations that will experience flooding include Lenora, Nicodemus, and New Almelo. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 3 inches are possible in the warned area. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 3:45 a.m. Central Daylight Time Friday for the following counties in Kansas, Graham, and Norton. You are listening to All Hazards Radio Station WWF 77, Lenore, Kansas. Normal programming has been interrupted due to hazardous weather. The strong wind gusts from a severe thunderstorm can damage buildings, knock down trees, and create a hazard due to wind-blown debris. If you are in the open, seek shelter, but avoid trees as these are targets for lightning. The National Weather Service in Goodland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Graham County, northwestern Kansas, southeastern Norton County, northwestern Kansas, Central Daylight Time. At 9 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles north of Minneapolis, or 13 miles northeast of Hill City, moving northeast.
Darren, if that's on, turn it off for me. It is on.